Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. It's a pretty cloudy day today. Supposed to be mid-60s, so pretty nice. And I've had a couple of ribeye steaks in the freezer for several months now that I think tonight's a good time to cook them up. I had already yesterday got the fire ring dug out, some rocks around it and everything. So today is going for a little adventure with Ninja in the desert and trying to find just enough wood to get us some coals to throw a cast iron skillet on there and cook up some steaks. And now that I've had my water in the morning, I'm having my afternoon Doritos nacho cheese. I'd prefer spicy, but I ran out. Nacho cheese is a little snack. Probably not going to have anything more than this because I'm going to do early dinner right around sunset, which is about 5:30 p.m. So next thing you see will be me heading out with Ninja into the desert to try and find just a little bit of wood. It's pretty scarce around here, but I think I ought to be able to get enough to cook up the steaks. It is a pretty cloudy day. It did sprinkle last night for just about a few minutes, like 5 minutes. 2 or 3 times. But we're heading out here looking for a little firewood. Get a nice campfire, cook up some steaks. A little pretty slim pickings out here, so got that ready to start my fire after adding my paper trash. That's about all I collected. And that was going out into the desert. Not much out here. And Ninja is right there, chilling, because there's a couple of cars that have come by fast. Well, we're off to a decent start. Let's hope some of that catches on fire. I'm sure it will. Bigger stuff. And then we'll throw on the rest and start our cookout. So that desert wood goes quick. I threw on the pan when there were still flames about 5 minutes ago. A little oil in the pan, heated it all up. I salt and peppered the steaks. I like using kosher salt, fresh ground pepper, and I threw them on 2 or 3 minutes ago. So I think those coals should be hot enough to do the job. Let's find out. We'll see you on the flip side. Those coals are darn hot. Just flipping them now. Woo, took off some hair on my arm. Don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Maybe now. Burned the hair right there. And that was from like 12 inches, okay, maybe 8 inches high above that. So they're definitely hot. And they're browning on the outside pretty good, mostly because I did a little too much oil. But I think they should be pretty good medium rare on the inside. Well, a little bit more towards the medium than I would like. Pretty much a classic medium. But remember, kids, a steak, no matter how it's cooked, is still a steak. These turned out to be thinner than I thought they were. I didn't pay attention, and so I did keep them on there a few minutes too long, more than medium rare. But I bet it's going to be delicious. So the neighbor's dog, Biscuit, came running after Ninja because she was in the middle of the desert. Of course, Ninja ran to under the RV and to her hiding spot. And the neighbor immediately called the dog back, but I think Ninja's still hiding to be safe. I keep calling her, see if she wants to come in for dinner. Ninja, come on in, kitty. She doesn't listen to me. Ninja. So the steaks were actually not too bad. They were medium well. A lot of it was They were real thin. I didn't realize how thin they were. And also, I did put a little more oil in there, so they kind of broiled, or is that what you call it with the oil? Fried up a little faster. But once I flipped them once, I should have probably just did 2 minutes on that other side. But hey, steak is steak, and it was still tasty. Didn't need a drop of sauce on it. The only complaint about Walmart steaks is they tend to be too fatty around the outside. You know, normally they trim that off. Marbling with the fat on the inside is good for flavor, but big chunks of fat around the outside, as I complained about a little bit on these. Others on Walmart's review website on the steaks, that's like what everybody complains about, it seems like. But I'll be getting a new type of steak in couple of days, and it may take me a little bit to cook that one up, but I'm going to do it while it's fresh. And a Wagyu steak, not a real one, an American one, which is like the knockoff version, but that's what I'm getting at Walmart, so you know it's a knockoff meat anyway. But I thought I'd give it a shot, and I'm going to cook that one up here in the next week, like I said, after I pick it up in a couple of days. But I'm just going to be chilling now, watching some YouTube videos, playing my Age of Origins phone game where I kill lots of zombies. That's always entertaining. And just enjoying the cool breeze outside. I've got all the window screens open. It's real nice, mild out. I don't know, probably 60, 62 maybe, even a couple hours after the suns went down. Ninja will be out probably. She's inside now eating, but she'll probably go out for a couple more hours. And that's going to do it. Just pretty lazy day. But I thank you for joining me, watching this. If you enjoyed this, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free. And what else is free is subscribing. Love to have you subscribe so you get alerts anytime I post a new video. Thanks again. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.